Living with OCD can feel like being trapped in a loop of thoughts and rituals. It's not just about being tidy or organized. It's a constant battle with intrusive thoughts that can be overwhelming. To manage it, I've found that understanding my triggers is crucial. Journaling helps me identify patterns and confront those thoughts head-on. Exposure and response prevention, or ERP, is another powerful tool. It involves facing my fears without giving in to compulsions. It's uncomfortable, but it's where the real growth happens. Mindfulness techniques like deep breathing and grounding exercises also help me stay present, breaking the cycle of anxiety. And let's not forget the importance of support. Talking to friends or joining a support group can make a world of difference. Remember, it's okay to seek professional help. Therapy can provide strategies tailored to your needs. OCD may be a part of my life, but it doesn't define me. Each day is a step towards reclaiming my peace.